Greetings from the National Cherry Blossom Festival. And this is just a preview of Petalpalooza alongside of the waterfront. And this is an all-day event that culminates with pink fireworks. We'll do a quick walkthrough. I know the lights are dark. I want to give you a preview of what to expect, because sometimes you can come to DC and it's peak room. The festival runs for more than 1 week, but if you miss out, what do? And this is it. They have fun stuff every weekend. Petalpalooza night. Okay, there is a pink rave happening. And in a few moments, they will be joined with fireworks. Okay, let's go rave a bit. Oh, here's our poster. This is Petalpalooza. One of the fun things that I had experience here was there was a company giving out cherry blossom perfume. Went home smelling like cherry blossom. I brought my mom here one year. She said, "Where do they get all the pink Christmas lights for the boats?" That's in that area. Honestly, I can't show you it all. I never intended to. Hopefully the preview makes you to want to experience Petalpalooza. Thanks for working the night shift.